Hello, and today we'll be making hot chocolate with hot cocoa polar bears from Trader Joe's, including cookie mug hangers and marshmallow peppermint mini marshmallows from Trader Joe's also. So now we will be opening this hot cocoa polar bear, which looks just like this. Very cute, very cutesy, very demure. Looks just like this, and I'm gonna add it in here. It is better to put milk in.
Where's melting?
You can either put milk or water, but it's better to put milk in. Milk, bro. Finally, it's melting. Yeah, what is it? This
I will put marshmallows. So we got the cookie mug hangers.
we open it, guys. We put it on, guys. We eat it, guys. Yeah.
Not really melted yet.
That tastes fireballs. Amaze ball.
Mm-hmm. American.
You like it?
Yeah, tastes good.
My cookie. The hot cocoa tastes fire.
Thank you for watching.
Happy holidays.